Welcome, everyone. We're going to walk through the mandatory setup for your device identity. Now, getting this right is absolutely your first line of defense when you're handling sensitive healthcare data, so let's jump right in.
Okay, let's be super clear from the very beginning. Following these steps isn't optional. It is a mandatory security requirement. Getting this wrong can lead to serious compliance issues, so it's critical we get it right the first time.
So you might be asking, why all the rules? Well, it's all about accountability. Proper naming ensures every single action can be traced back to an individual. This is absolutely fundamental for keeping patient information secure and for proving that we're compliant.
All right, let's get into the how-to. Our first task, and it's an easy one, is to make sure your computer itself has the correct name.
Your computer name has to follow a very strict format. It has to be our company code, MMM, then a hyphen, and then your full legal first and last name smashed together as one word. And please, remember, no spaces, no special characters, and definitely no nicknames.
So how do you actually do this in Windows 11? It's really simple. Just follow the steps you see here. You're going to go into your system settings, find the About section, and from there, you'll see the option to rename this PC. Just follow the prompts. It's a breeze.
Now, here's a really important heads up. This name change won't actually stick until you restart your computer. So when it asks you to restart, please do it. That's the final step to make it official.
Okay, computer name is done. Next up, let's talk about another critical security layer, your work profile. Think of your work profile as a dedicated space, a bubble just for company work. If you have more than one account on your computer, all your work must be done inside the designated MM profile. I have to be clear, this is absolutely non-negotiable.
This means you have to keep a super strict separation between your personal and your work activities. There can be absolutely zero overlap. All work tasks, all work files, they have to live inside the work profile. Period.
And this isn't just about being organized. Every single thing you do inside that work profile is logged for security audits. This is exactly how we prove that our data handling is secure and that we're meeting all of our compliance requirements.
Look, if you have even the slightest doubt about which profile you should be using, please just stop. Don't guess. Contact the IT department immediately. It's always better to ask than to make a mistake.
All right, we are on the home stretch. The last piece of the puzzle is getting your browser profile configured. This will complete your secure identity setup.
You're probably noticing a pattern here. Just like your computer name, your browser profile name has to be your actual full name. Generic labels like person1, user, or any nicknames just won't work.
So, if you're a Google Chrome user, here are the 7 quick steps to get your profile updated. You'll find everything you need to edit right there in the Profile Settings menu.
And for all you Microsoft Edge users, don't worry, the process is just as simple. Just head into your profile settings, find the Edit option, and make sure your full name is in there correctly.
Okay, before we wrap up, let's do a quick final check-in. This is your chance to make sure you've got all 3 mandatory requirements locked in. Let's run through this together right now. First, is your PC name in that exact MMM-FullName format? Second, are you working exclusively inside the correct MMM work profile? And third, does your browser profile show your real full name?
This is your final checkpoint. And I really can't stress this enough. Please, do not move on with your onboarding or start any work until you have personally confirmed that all 3 of these items are correct.
You know, completing these simple steps is about so much more than just following rules. It's about establishing clear accountability. It's your first and most important action in protecting very sensitive patient health information. Thank you so much for your careful attention to these critical details.